What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail video, just in time for Easter. What we're going to make today, guys, is the Frozen Blue Lagoon cocktail. This is one of my favourites to make, and I just love this cocktail. I think it's perfect, especially with the nice weather that we've only just had as well in the UK. So I think it's the perfect drink to kickstart the Easter cocktails. So stay tuned for that. So let's get straight into it. So to make the Frozen Blue Lagoon, what you want to do is get your blender. Fill it about 200ml of ice and then put in the ingredients. The first into the blender is 60ml or 2 ounces of vodka. We are using Ciroc. Next into the blender is 1.5 ounce or 45ml of blue curacao. Next, 1.5 ounce of pineapple juice or 45ml. And last but not least, 1 ounce of 30ml of coconut milk. Let's blend it right into it. As you can see, the result has turned out very nice, so let's pour it into a nice hurricane glass. What we do now is garnish it with a nice pineapple wedge. And some nice coconut pieces. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one Frozen Blue Lagoon. And there we go, one Frozen Lagoon. How does it taste? With any refreshing cocktails, the Frozen Blue Lagoon is absolutely beautiful. It hits so much, and if you have it, it's sweet as anything, especially with the coconut. It reminds you of summer, gives you good vibes. It's a beautiful drink. Like I say, it's nice to present. It's got a nice blue colour. There's nothing more you can wish for than a nice summer drink like this, especially with the nice weather that we're having in the UK. For me, that is a banging 9.5 out of 10. It's near enough perfect. Nothing that makes that better, I think, could be a nice long coconut piece. I think that's the only thing that I'd improve, that'd be the decoration. But in terms of a taste, that is beautiful. For the taste, 10 out of 10. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, one Frozen Lagoon cocktail. Absolutely beautiful to kickstart Easter. Don't you just love it? But if you are new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this. As I will see you guys on to the next one. As what I'll be doing is a nice Easter egg special, especially with Easter coming up, as I've got a couple of ideas that I want to do for that. But I do thank you for all your support, as Mixed is back. Cheers, happy Easter everyone.